So it's currently raining and flooding, and we're gonna try to save my car. The street is literally flooded right now. We're gonna move to empty houses lots. Oh, this is not gonna be fun at all. It's all completely flooded. Look how deep this is. Yeah, this is kind of bad. That's at least 2 feet of water. I'm gonna try to get it over there. That is, wow. That is right up there. Let's see if Jack can get it. Yeah. Okay, let's try to get mine. Hopefully this works. Ugh. Let's do this. Okay, that's not good sounds. Okay, look at all. It's only by our streets because of where the drain is, which is kind of annoying that all these neighbors don't have to worry about that, and here we are having to worry about flooded streets. Let's do this. You can literally hear the water. You can literally hear the water going. This is crazy. This is the craziest thing I've ever seen while living here for 2 years. So glad no one lives in this house, because this is terrible. Though it's still flooding right here. That is like a tidal. Yeah. This is even deeper. The drain's right here.
Yeah, right there. Oh, that's where the drain is?
Yeah. There's one here and there's one there.
Yeah, I was trying to tell you to drive in the middle because
Yeah.
it's higher there.
Yeah, the drain's right here and right there.
The water was coming up high on your grill.
Oh yeah, no, well, this is almost up to my knees.
Yeah, it's no joke right through there.
No.